It's the 1st of December, which means it's time to open the advent calendars. We just have Cadbury's ones this year. There you go.
Are they also the same place?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, they are. That's boring.
They meant every year. I can't believe it's the 1st of December. They don't have one.
Yeah, but they're parked. You don't need one.
Both got one last year. Hi everyone, welcome to the second episode of Vlogmas. As I have already made clear, today is the 1st of December. If you're a bit confused as to why this is the second installment but it's the 1st of December, I basically pre-filmed one of the vlogs last week so that I could get one out today. I didn't want to miss out on the 1st of December, to be honest. So I'm actually currently editing that vlog right now, really hoping I get it done in time. Hello Bones, come say hi to the vlog. Oh, my little Bones. Sorry, why is he actually just so cute? It's currently 1 o'clock. We are gonna head out soon to pick up some lunch, and I also need to go to Boots to get a new beauty blender because I left mine up north. It actually was in fact already mouldy, so I think that this is the universe telling me I really needed to buy a new one. Oh, we've got another cat. Come on in, Zero. Zero, do you want your time in the vlog as well? No, it's Zero's shot. It's you. I feel like I need to stop using beauty blenders because they actually go mouldy so quickly. I really don't know how to stop it from going mouldy. Like, I'll clean them and then I let them dry and it still goes mouldy. I know a lot of people like to use makeup brushes for their foundation instead of beauty blenders, so I might test that out at some point, but all the ones I've looked at are quite expensive, so I am just gonna go back to the beauty blender for right now. I have been feeling not the best mentally, I'm not gonna lie, over the past couple of days, but I am really trying to push through for the 1st of December. I don't want anything to spoil this festive period, so I'm just powering through and trying not to like overthink things. I just don't know, my head is so annoying sometimes. But we're gonna have a really nice day. I'm gonna get this vlog edited and it's gonna be great. We're actually also going out for dinner tonight, which I'm really excited about. I got contacted by a marketing agency that are working with a restaurant, I think it's called the Grahamson or something like that. It's in the Radisson Blue Hotel in town, but they have invited Danny and I along to try their festive menu, so I am really looking forward to it. We might go to the Christmas markets afterwards as well. Part of me doesn't know if we should save that for another day of Vlogmas. Like, I don't want to pack everything in too close to the start of December, but yeah, I need to get back to editing. But I am very excited that it's the 1st of December. Got my coffee in my Christmas mug. When I woke up this morning, I was actually feeling not too good. I was feeling very anxious, but I had a really nice everything shower, washed my hair. I feel nice and fresh. The flat's a bit of a mess, but I am trying to not let it affect my day. I'm really excited for Vlogmas. I hope you guys are too. We're in Boots and Danny's Deezer, what do they call it?
My Deezer year, apparently.
My Deezer year. It's embarrassing, Danny uses Deezer, not Spotify.
Oh, it's got the tight lights, surely.
Wait, I don't know if we should do this in here.
Look at that, that's cool.
Is an advent candle, so I can definitely like that. We are on our way to the subway right now to get into town for dinner. We're very late. It's currently 6:30, which is when our reservation was, but Danny phoned them and they said it was fine, but feeling a little bit stressed. I did manage to schedule my video to go up, but I need to double check it before it goes up, so I'm gonna try to do that on the subway. I'm excited though for tonight. I'm a bit nervous because I saw a video of someone talking about they like get invited to quite a lot of restaurants. And she said sometimes people don't know that you've actually been invited.
People working there.
Like the people working there don't know, and you have to explain that to them, which is really embarrassing. Yeah. Honestly, I feel like I'd be so awkward, I'd just like pay for the meal. Yeah. So I didn't have to explain. Fingers crossed that won't happen, but I'm excited. The menu looks quite fun. Don't know what I'm gonna get. Sorry if today was a wee bit hectic, and I was hoping it would be a bit more Christmassy, but as soon as though I was editing and stuff, which won't happen the rest of the days of vlogmas, because my editing days are going to be not non-filming days, except today. Okay, goodbye. We've just arrived and it's not awkward because you knew we were coming. So we get to choose 2 cocktails from the festive menu. So I'm gonna go for the spiced rum punch, and then I think she said we could get them from the other menu as well, right?
Yeah.
Because I'm not sure I like these other 2, but I mean they sound really good, but I'm just fussy. Are you not gonna get that one?
It's a bit much for early on, isn't it?
Okay, yeah, true. And then this is the festive menu. So they have 2 courses or 3 courses, and we get 3 courses, which is really nice. Here's my soup. This is spiced carrot and parsnip, I'm pretty sure. And then Danny got, is this chicken patty?
Chicken terrine, that kind of big setup. I think that's a cranberry on the top.
Our main courses have arrived. I got turkey. I'm really excited to try this. And Danny got a steak. Sorry, I did just notice that there's a full garlic. Are you meant to eat that? I'm confused. Mukbang. This looks good because it's really thin.
He's already back. What's the Talica then?
Hello, cats. Next day now, it's already 1:30. I've had quite a slow morning so far, but my sister came over for a cup of tea, and then I just walked to the shops to get some things because I'm about to do some festive baking. I really want to have a very Christmassy day today, so I'm about to do some baking and then I'm gonna sit down and put on a Christmas film. I do have some work I need to do, but I can do that while I watch the film. And then I think this evening, Danny and I are gonna have a movie night and we're gonna watch The Holiday because I really wanted to watch it yesterday, but we got back kind of late, so we just watched The X-Files, which we're both kind of obsessed with right now. But I'm gonna make some cinnamon rolls. I actually don't like cinnamon rolls, but Danny does, so I am just the best fiance ever and I'm gonna make him some cinnamon rolls. So I bought this ready rolled puff pastry. I was not about to make the pastry myself. Got some Philadelphia for the icing, some cinnamon, some icing sugar, and then some butter, and then I think we have everything else I need. I was honestly really struggling to find a recipe. I don't know what is up with Bones, he will not stop crying. But yeah, that's the plan right now. I also really need to do some tidying around the flat, but I just cannot be bothered. I still have not unpacked from the weekend, but I just really can't bring myself to do it. Going to light a festive candle. Oh my god, ow! These do not look right, but I did everything it told me to do. Here are my finished cinnamon rolls. They look really bad. I feel like this is just not the right type of pastry for cinnamon rolls, but when I looked it up, apparently it is. I've just never seen a cinnamon roll so flaky. At least the toppings look nice. I would try one myself, but I don't really want them, to be honest, so I'll get Danny's reaction when he's back from work. But I feel like that was a bit of a flop. I found some Christmassy sprinkles in the cupboard, so I obviously used them, so they're kind of festive. Thumbnail. Hello, Zero. I'm not sure what Christmas film to put on. I was gonna put on the Grinch, but I actually did watch it the other day, but I was gonna put it on because I need to do work. So I can't really concentrate that much, but I'm not sure if I should just put on kind of like a bad, like Netflix Christmas film.
Have you got the...
Yeah, the sprinkles, did you notice? Danny's back from work and he's gonna try one of the cinnamon rolls. Good?
That'll do.
I was saying, I think that it was not really puff pastry that I wanted to use. Maybe other ones are just homemade, like the pastry.
It is bread though, because they made it in Bake Off, didn't they?
Dunno. Danny and I are about to go for a run. I really can't be bothered. Okay, this is so great. I'll just wait till Zero's done. Yeah, Danny and I are about to go for a run. I have spoken about this so many times, you guys probably don't want to hear it anymore, but I am currently training to do a 10k. I'm using the Runner app, so it tells me all the different ones I have to do. Very confusingly, it is week 7 out of 10, and my run for today is a 10k. I think it thinks I'm doing a race at the end of the month, and that's what I'm training for, but that is not the case. I am just wanting to run a 10k. So we're gonna see how that goes tonight. I haven't done a run since last Thursday and today's Tuesday, so that's obviously not that long, but I am meant to do 3 a week. I was meant to do one at the weekend and I didn't do it. I've only missed that one and one other one in my whole training plan. But now I feel not motivated at all to go, but I already skipped one and I'm really annoyed at myself for doing it. So hopefully this will go okay. It's just conversational pace, so it says it should be between an hour and 10 minutes and an hour and 20 minutes. I did do last week, I think, 9k, and it was okay. Actually, I feel like I managed it quite well. So I'm hoping this 10k will be okay, but as I say, I feel like because I haven't ran for a while, I just don't think I'm in the right headspace anymore.